Hello everyone. Today you are going to learn how to solve word problems involving bar graph. Just like in pictograph, before you go to the problem, make sure that you know the number represented by each bar. I already put the numbers earlier, but how did we get this? So at the end of the bar, you have to make an imaginary line across the graph going to the scale to know the number that the bar represents. So this bar graph is about the number of cupcakes sold at the bakery last month. The problem is, how many fewer lemon cupcakes were sold when chocolate and vanilla combined? So we need to figure out how many fewer cupcakes were there compare lemon cupcakes were there than the chocolate and vanilla together. So how many fewer is the same thing as how many more. Both of them entail that you have to know the difference between the things that are being compared. And we know that the difference means subtraction. So therefore, in this problem, at some point, you need to subtract or take away. But let's take note of the things being compared. In this problem, we are comparing the lemon cupcakes to the chocolate and vanilla combined. Okay. So how do we know how many fewer lemon cupcakes were there compared to these two? The first thing that we have to figure out is how many cupcakes for chocolate and vanilla before we compare it to the lemon cupcakes. So our step one would be putting together the number of chocolate and vanilla cupcakes. So there are 40 chocolate cupcakes and 50 vanilla cupcakes. So it's going to be 40 plus 50. Okay, and we know that 40 plus 50 is, that's right, 90. Now, knowing that there are 90 chocolate and vanilla cupcakes in all, we are now ready to know how many fewer lemon cupcakes were there compared to the two. Just like what I've said earlier, how many fewer and how many more both mean taking the difference or getting the difference. So therefore, for step two, we need to take away the number of lemon cupcakes from the total number of cupcakes of vanilla and chocolate. So our equation would be 90 minus how many lemon cupcakes are there or were sold. So there were 30 cupcakes or lemon cupcakes sold. So we're going to have 90 minus 30. So 90 minus 30 is, that's right, it's 60. Now, in this problem, we know that there are 60 fewer lemon cupcakes than chocolate and vanilla combined. In this lesson, you learned how to use the information in the bar graph to solve word problems.